Farnell? Element 14? Oh, it's from Austria! I know exactly what this is.
This channel is made possible in part by Morning Fame, smarter analytics to simplify YouTube growth. Use the link on your screen right now to get your first month free.
Okay, so here is a box that has come in from Austria. So considering there's all this stuff on the front, let's just go ahead and do it from the bottom. Okay, so we've got some packing and lots of packing. Apparently, this is the thing. Let's put that right there. And packing, more packing. I don't think there's anything. Nice way to recycle a box, though, right? Oh, there's things. Ah, things on the bottom. Things on the bottom. What is this? Oh, what is this? Oh my goodness, there's things in here.
Look, it's a note. Hi, Matt. The case is pretty empty, so you should have enough room to fit your stuff. Feel free to alter it in any way imaginable. I have packed some Cold War goodies inside the case. The ICs are GDR, that's the East German clones of Western chips. Right on, dude. Have fun with the most useless IoT device. Hope we can meet up someday. Indeed. Indeed, dude. I really hope we do meet up someday. This is cool, man. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, let's see. Meyer Bakes. Clemens Meyer. Let's see. Oh my goodness, he's like thrown a whole bunch of stuff in here. What in the world? Lots of pictures of Clem! Oh my god! Oh, this is hilarious. I'm gonna like put these all over the shop. This is gonna be funny. Okay, lots of business cards. I'm gonna stick these in the lobby, Clem. We'll have them here. Ooh, what's this? I like these. Education is not for sale. Stuyvek. I have no idea what that means. It's a German something or other, or Austrian something or other, or I don't know. Nothing about us without us. Nothing about US without us. I don't know. I'm just. Oh, and a sticker from the Maker Faire in Vienna. Thanks, thanks, Clem. This is pretty rad. I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna put these up in a place of honor here in the shop. So let's do something fun with that. That's kind of awesome. Thank you, Clem. So let's put that back there in the box. Put this. Put that in the box. And now, the main event. What in the world have we gotten ourselves into? Oh dear. Oh boy. Ooh. What in the world? It must be steampunk. There's gears on it. Okay, I'm not sure what's going on here. Must have been aged or something like that. So this is apparently the Rock, or at least the beginning of it. So it's all 3D printed, looks like, because Clem is a master of the 3D printer, and we've got some star drive screws here on the bottom. So let's crack her open and see what we get. Gently but carefully. Okay, so more things. Okay. Well, this is probably why it was opened by customs, because there's lots of little ICs just kind of in here. What do we got? What are these? These are 0098, 01D. I gotta look up and see what these chips are. What in the world? Clemens, what are you doing? That's the nonsense. Oh my gosh. Another 500D. It's like old man wig. I don't know what's going on. What's happening? What's happening? What is all this? What is all this? Okay. Okay, here's our feather board. And There's a feather board in here, okay, and we got it on something that takes AAAs, okay. Okay, we're getting there. Okay, so those are huzzah! SP8266Y5, 4 megabyte flash, feather board from Adafruit. Okay, more chips. 6 processor. I like my chips with dip, dual inline pins. Okay, all right, so that's that. What? Is this wadding? Oh my god! What is this, like a massive, ridiculous care package from Austria with all kinds of European surplus? I think this is wadding, like from the selfie rocket. I don't know. What's going on here? Oh no. Oh no. It's something written in Russian. Oh no. Oh no. It's another vacuum tube. Right on. Dude, Clem's like my new best friend. That's right, guys. Clem is my new best friend. You should definitely give him some love. Oh, this is the wrapping for this one. Okay. What in the world? That's awesome. Fantastic. Okay, so I have a rock with which to wind a string around, and I've got to I got to figure out what I need to do with this thing. So I got to find some kind of completely useless thing to do with this rock. So let me have a noodle on this and catch you back in a minute.